next we're going to be doing fuel treatment system. I recommend Seafoam, works great, never had an issue with it. Actually fixed my vehicle multiple times and caused, I was failing smog, use this, passed smog, no problem. Never run this on an empty tank of gas. You will have issues. Your engine light, check engine light will come on for running too rich. So the second way to run the Seafoam fuel treatment, we're gonna run it through the vacuum lines. So on your brake booster back here, you have a vacuum line that plugs right into the brake booster. You can see it. So this line right here. So I'll pull it out and then I'll show you what it looks like. So you can just pull on the line. It's held in just with vacuum. It's got a little rubber gasket, a little gusset, and that's it. So we'll pour the Seafoam in through here slowly while the vehicle's running. You're supposed to keep it about 2,000 RPMs. Slowly pour the Seafoam into it. When the bottle's done, you will turn off the vehicle, wait 5 minutes, and then we'll start it up and you'll see all the smoke, all the crap inside your engine blowing out the exhaust pipe. Okay, when you start it, it's going to kind of hesitate. Just put it at 2,000 RPMs, and then when I'm pouring it, it's going to want to hesitate more, like it's dying. And again, all you're going to do is just keep on, try to keep it at 2,000 RPMs. Now we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes and we'll show you what it does. Got the brake booster back in. That's it. Back into the booster. Now we're going to go ahead and start it and see how much smoke comes out. And that's it.